Brisling sardines are a compact source of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and micronutrients, often packaged for on-the-go snacking or quick meals. As consumer interest grows in sustainable seafood, kosher and gluten-free options, and transparent labeling, the market has diversified beyond basic canned sardines to include smoke-cured, olive oil, and spring water variants.
Product number 1. Grilled Koch 6-flavor canned sardines variety fish sampler pack, European Brisling Sardines in olive oil, wild-caught. This grilled Koch sampler pack features 6 flavors of wild-caught Brisling sardines, Baltic Sea, hand-packed in olive oil, with a BPA-free can and a clear lid for visibility. The pack highlights gluten-free, low-sodium options and emphasizes omega-3 richness and high protein. The product is ready to eat and designed for on-the-go consumption, with an emphasis on premium quality you can see through the transparent lid. Deeper analysis: the 5.6-ounce cans are standard for single-serving portions and enable convenient tasting across 6 variants. The use of olive oil as the packing medium generally yields a richer mouthfeel and can enhance perceived flavor complexity, especially when compared to water-packed options. The inclusion of a transparent lid is a practical UX feature for consumers evaluating color, texture, and oil saturation before opening. Potential drawbacks include variability between flavors in texture or oil depth, and the pack nature means you may receive uneven flavor balance across cans if sourced in different batches.
Product number 2. MW Polar Smoked Brisling Sardines in olive oil in 9.5-ounce jar, pack of 6. MW Polar offers wild-caught Brisling sardines that are alderwood smoked, then packed in olive oil. The product emphasizes clean label ingredients, sardines, olive oil, salt, kosher-friendly compliance, and a no-preservative, non-GMO approach. The 9.5-ounce jar size is suited for households seeking a pantry staple or multiple meals, with the wood-smoked aroma providing a distinct flavor profile. Deeper analysis: smoking with real alderwood contributes a pronounced, nuanced smokiness that differentiates this product from EVOO-only or water-packed variants. The jar format aids storage and reuse, but opening and portioning can be less convenient than pop-top cans. The clean ingredient approach makes it versatile for keto, paleo, and Mediterranean diets, and the packaging supports longer shelf life before opening. After opening, the oil helps preserve moisture, but the using of texture may vary depending on smoking duration and sardine size. Product number 3. Wild Planet Wild Sardines in extra virgin olive oil. Wild Planet presents lightly smoked sardines in extra virgin olive oil with scale-free skin, non-GMO verification, gluten-free, and OU kosher parve status. The 4.4-ounce cans, sold in a 12-pack, target households seeking reliable protein and EPA/DHA content, with a focus on sustainability and traceable sourcing from the North Pacific. Deeper analysis: each serving provides about 18 grams of protein and 1,800 milligrams of EPA/DHA per 3-ounce portion, alongside 50% of daily vitamin D needs, making it a strong nutritional choice. The ease-of-use pull top enhances portability, while the scale-free fillets improve texture uniformity when canned. The lightly smoked EVOO profile offers a milder smokiness compared to full-strength smoked variants, appealing to a broad audience. Packaging bulk may lead to higher storage space requirements, and the 4.4-ounce can size can constrain portion-controlled usage for individuals seeking smaller servings. Product number 4. Crown Prince Natural Brisling Sardines packed in spring water. Crown Prince Natural Brisling Sardines packed in spring water emphasize lean protein with skin and bones intact for nutrition. The product is marketed as low-calorie and low-fat with no added oils, offering a lighter-tasting option that preserves the brisling profile without additional fat. Deeper analysis: The spring water pack format yields a clean, delicate flavor with firmer texture, making it suitable for salads, sandwiches, and pasta where a lighter fish note is desired. The 3.75-ounce can size is a convenient single meal portion. However, some consumers may miss the richer mouthfeel that olive oil provides, and the absence of oil means higher flop risk in texture if not properly packed. This product is a good baseline for those who want minimal added flavors or fats. Product number 5. Fitrel 3 pairs compression socks for women. Fitrel offers a 3-pair bundle at $14.24 with 20 to 30 mmHg compression, targeting general circulation support with a balance of price and performance. The brand positions these socks as versatile for athletes, travelers, and professionals who need reliable compression without premium pricing. The multi-pair option aligns with buyers seeking ongoing replacement or rotation. Performance-wise, the 20 to 30 mmHg range provides strong support for leg fatigue and recovery, suitable for long days or flights. The fabric composition and knit density will influence breathability and moisture management, with potential trade-offs between compression firmness and comfort. Given the lower price point relative to other 20 to 30 mmHg options, these may be a strong value pick for first-time compression sock buyers or budget-conscious athletes, albeit with reasonable expectations for long-term durability.